Go.
Hello, ladies' house. I hope you are doing well and you are keeping good even during this critical time in the history of our country. On the 29th of May is an important day to bring change in our country. From now and again, I go through the messages you write. I spend a lot of time understanding the key challenges that you raise from the ladies' house and as women in our country. And I'm quite aware what brought you together, most of you as single mothers, facing the challenges created by absent fathers. And I want to assure you, as the president of the IFP, I have your interest in my heart.